Hello, all you wonderful people in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to it. So as you can probably already notice, I have already started with some paint on the canvas. It's blue with just a little bit of silver and yellow, just because I think it looks nice. And I'm going to try something a little different today. I'm going to be trying to do a flower. And so we'll see how that goes. So first, I'm going to start with some green. The only additives I'm using for all of this paint is just the PVA glue and water. I'm not looking to get any cells or anything of that nature. Aside from the green, I'll be using red and purple for the flower itself. And I'm going to be trying a couple of different techniques. For the grass, I'm going to be using the comb and do a comb swipe. For the flower, I think I'm going to try the painting, I don't know, trowel thing, chisel item, I don't know what you call it. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get to that. I may all be, pardon me, I may also be using a little bit of yellow and pink, but we'll see. I'm not sure about that yet. So first we'll start with the grass, and I'm just going to get some green on there. Alright, well, I need to spread that around a little bit first before I swipe it with the comb. There, that should do it. Wipe that off, and let's see what we got. All right, well, looks grass-like to me. So that works. Of course, I'll also be using some more green for the stem, which I'll go ahead and get that on there now. Let's see, how do I want that to go? Yeah, start over here, I guess. There, that'll do. Yeah. Actually, maybe I'll try a popsicle stick just to have a little accent on there. Make a bit of a leaf type thing off of it. I really have not used this much at all, so I'm a little apprehensive to use it now. But you know, gotta learn sometime, right? Let's see. Alright, that should do. And now for the flower itself. As I said, we're going with red and purple on that. And this is the part that makes me a little bit nervous because I have not done this before. So we'll see just how this goes. And I don't think I'm going to need a great deal because I'll be spreading it around. But I guess we'll see. You can always add a little extra if necessary. Alright, that'll probably do it. And now, the hard part, actually doing this. Alright. have sky in the middle of the flower. That would not look very good. All right. Well, looks like a bit of a mess right now, but we'll tidy that up. Or not. All right, I think I want a little more red in there. Just a tiny bit more paint because I don't want the blue coming through on what's supposed to be a flower. I have yet to see a see-through flower. Maybe this wasn't the best tool to use. I'm going to try another approach here. Just a tiny bit more of the purple. I mean, I'm certainly liking the grass and the stem itself and everything else. Just that flower, I don't know what that part, the bulb, the head, the flower part, I guess, for lack of better words, is just not coming quite together as I'd hoped. But not done yet. Yeah, it's looking a little bit better, I think. Yeah. Let's get a bit more purple in the mix. Oops. Like I said, I don't want that blue to come through. I'll just cover that up. And maybe get a tiny bit of red in there as well. I really don't know what sort of flower this would be called. Just sort of a weird misshapen flower. But it's not too bad. It's looking all right, I think. All right. Just going to leave that for a moment and make it back to it. But I am going to put a few little flowers down there. I'm going to try to put little flowers. Why won't this yellow come off? Huh, there we are. There's a little yellow flower. And another little yellow flower. And another little yellow flower. Maybe we'll throw a couple pink ones in there too. Just because, why not? It looks like I dripped some red there, so I'm going to put a pink one there to cover that up. There we are, a little pink flower. And not coming off the stick. That's peculiar, I don't know what it is. But that's alright. Just need a bit more paint. That'll rectify the situation. Maybe not. Actually, come to think of it, I did not water down that pink or yellow, so that's probably why I just need to load up the stick a bit more to make sure it comes off. There we are. Success. Okay, I think that's enough. Just a little bit of, call it an accent, if you will. Alright, I don't like that green up there, so I need to touch up that flower just a tiny bit more. Cover that little green part right there. Oh dear, and I spilled some purple. That's easily fixed. And a bit more red. A bit more purple. Again, I'm not sure what sort of flower this would be, or weed, or flowering weed, or whatever it might be. Alright. Did get a little purple there, but that's easily fixed. Let's see. Just scoop that out. Yeah, it's a little bit better. There. Problem solved. All right. Well, I don't need to let it sit because I'm not looking for any cell formation or seeing if anything happens after the fact. So that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified when the next painting comes out. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you again so much for watching, and as always, I will see all you wonderful people next time.